Motorcycles. We love to ride them. We love to ride with friends. Nothing would put a smile on my face more than not having to worry about traffic from the left to the right. But sadly, there are traffic lights and stop signs. Chaos. Mayhem. And intersections. This is Scott Fraser. And this is me, Gary Parsons. Now usually we're out making premium 4K motorcycle travel videos, but today we break to educate. We are the Northern Road Kings.
YouTube, it's Gary and Scott with the Northern Road Kings. We're in London, Ontario again today, and we're going to do an instructional video on intersection safety. If you can see behind us here, this is the old London Ice House. And what happened here, Scott?
This is where Johnny Cash proposed to June Carter.
That's awesome. So stay tuned.
In this video, we will show 5 things to look for while approaching an intersection. In this example, the rider has no stop and the right of way. The first thing, and I'm not counting this one, is lane position. Given that you are proceeding straight through the intersection, your bike should already be in this position. By being in the left tire track, you'll have better visibility into the side road and more time and room to maneuver if you have to. Step 1. Speed of the approaching vehicle. Here Scott is approaching from the right. I'm looking to see if he starts to slow down. Step 2. Adjust your speed according to what you see happening. If he does not start to decelerate, I'm going to slow down on the motorcycle so that I have time to maneuver if he runs the stop sign. Steps 3 to 5 is all about what Scott intends to do at the intersection. If he fails to stop completely and turns right, he'll cut me off and I might have to veer left to avoid, watching for oncoming traffic. If he continues straight, I might have to veer right to avoid colliding with him. And if he continues left, I might also have to veer right to avoid him. Which brings us to step 3, look for a turn signal. Is Scott using his turn signal to indicate if or which way he might be turning? Step 4, look at the position of the front tires. Does Scott give us a clue about his intentions by pointing into the planned direction while stopping? Step 5, and possibly the most important, see if the driver makes eye contact. If Scott sees me approaching on the motorcycle, he should come to a complete stop. Now let's reverse sides with Scott approaching from the left. Watch to see if Scott is slowing down. Adjust your own speed if he is not. Is there a turn signal indicated? Do the front tires tell you where he intends to go? Did he make eye contact? In real life situations, all these tells and decisions will have to be done in seconds. The practice will make you faster.
Well, thanks for watching YouTube. That was intersection safety. I hope you learned something today. But as always, take the course. Don't just watch the video and go do it for the first time. Go take a motorcycle safety training course and learn how to do it from a certified instructor. And thanks for watching. Hit that like button, share the video with your friends, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.
See ya.